Sewing hairstyles are popular and versatile protective style for anyone looking to enhance their hair length, hair volume, or overall appearance. This style involves braiding the natural hair into cornrows like what you are seeing and sewing wefts of extensions, we call it weave on, onto the braids using a needle and thread. Sewings are perfect for achieving a variety of looks from sleek and straight to coily and wavy, but this is actually straight. One of the key benefits of sewing is that they allow your natural hair to rest and grow for a while, keeping it protected from environmental damage, just like crocheting your hair and excessive manipulation too. They also offer a long-lasting solution, typically lasting 6 to 8 weeks with proper care. Emphasis on proper care. However, maintaining the health of your natural hair underneath is very, very important by regularly moisturizing your scalp and avoiding excessive tension. So make sure that anyone doing your sewing hairstyle for you did not hold it very tight, so that by the time the weave-on or weft is being sewn on it, you feel very comfortable. So moisturize. Sewings can be customized to fit your desired style, whether it's a full sewing with no leave out or a partial sewing for a more natural blend. Here there is a little leave out. They are fantastic options for anyone seeking a low maintenance yet stylish look. And like I said earlier, make sure that it is very important that you moisturize the underneath of your sewing so that your hair can have the chance to grow properly and also grow in a healthy environment. The danger of not, or disadvantage of not moisturizing or doing this, is that by the time you be taking down your sewing, you may lose a whole lot of hair, and you would not want that after taking down the style. See you in my next